Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can style Power Virtual Agent Chatbot. So let's get started. The simplest way is by customizing the chat widget when you embed it on your website, where you can set data attributes to change the layout of suggested actions or control how the chat window appears. If you want more design control, you can use Bot Framework web chat style options, which allow you to change bubble colors, fonts, avatars, and even the way buttons are displayed, giving your bot a personalized look and feel. For example, you can set your company colors for user and bot messages, upload a custom avatar image, and make action buttons display in a stack style for better use on mobile. For advanced branding, you can go even further by creating your own chat interface using Direct Line, which gives you full control over the design, animations, and user experience. Whether you are keeping it simple with the default widget or building a custom chat UI, styling your chatbot helps it feel like a natural part of your website or app, and it makes the user experience smoother, more engaging, and more aligned with your brand identity. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.